Hello everyone, I am Sneha Syamprasad. So in this video, you are going to learn that how to download and install QGIS software. So before starting, just open your browser in the computer. So type download QGIS. Okay, so you are seeing here the QGIS official site. Click on this. So in this site we have the installation downloads. Okay, so in that we have two parts, that is one is network installer of 64-bit and 32-bit, and the second one is standalone installer which we are using now, that is 64-bit and 32-bit. So now the recent version is 3.14. So if you want to download the previous version, then go to all releases. Okay, so here you can see previous releases of QGIS are still available. Okay, so here click on this here. Now you can see all the version of QGIS software till the present 3.14 version you will get in this site. Okay, so now I am going to install 3.12.3.1 of my computer OS is 64-bit. Okay, so I'll download what? QGIS OS Geo 4W 3.12.31 setup 64-bit. So click on this, so it will start automatically downloading the setup file. Okay, so after that just go to download. It is already downloaded the setup file here. Okay, so now what you have to do is click on this. Okay, and then read this. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Okay, and also they have given here verified publisher details, the open source geospatial foundation, file origin is hard drive on this computer. Say yes. Okay, so now the next procedure is to install the QGIS. Okay, so the first window opens is QGIS installer window. So here click next to continue. Okay, so now click on the next and read carefully whatever the license agreement they have been given in this window. Okay, after reading thoroughly, then agree. Then you have to choose the location to install this software. So it is by default, it is local disk C. They have been by default they have been mentioned here. If you want any other disk space or any other folder, you can just choose here. Okay, if not it is okay, then you can click on next. So by default it is already enabled QGIS, and other things they haven't enabled. We don't use that at present, so it is only QGIS enabled is more than enough. Okay, now just click on the install, so it will start installing. So it will take some 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to wait till the completion of this installation process. So after installation process, it will create a folder where you will be having the what we can say the installed files. So of Grass GIS, Saga GIS, desktop. So you have to open with the desktop of this QGIS. It will show your interface. Okay, so it has been finished now. Okay, the installation. So now click on this finish. Okay, so now you can see here QGIS 3.12 folder here, right? So click here. You can see, as I have already told you, we will be having this grass, desktop version and saga. Okay, so now I will be going to start with this desktop. We are using this desktop. Okay, so double click on this. So now it is loading all the plugins. Okay. Okay, so now it has been opened. This is what the QGIS interface. So now here they have mentioned new empty project. So double click on this. So this is where the QGIS interface. So now here you are going to work on this QGIS software. Okay, thank you.